EF-2 tornado ravaged a neighborhood in Nahunta, Georgia this weekend. Drone video behind me shows the extent of the damage. You can see just how much damage those homes endured. On your sides, Zach Wilcox went to Mathis Circle, one of the most impacted areas, for a look at the recovery effort taking place.
A woman on Mathis Circle had just about finished remodeling her home, but after a tornado came through, as you can see, all that's left of where it once stood are the cinder blocks. The house is still on the property, but it's twisted and flipped over with pieces hanging in the trees. And the house may be upside down, but the positive attitude of the owner certainly isn't.
It was just way worse than anybody could imagine, you know.
Rita Mathis says she was at a church event Saturday afternoon when her son got the call about the trailer. She couldn't believe the extent of the damage, particularly the frame wrapped around the trees. She's just relieved she's okay and that no one in her neighborhood was seriously injured.
When this happened, I realized I was holding things loosely. I didn't cry. I didn't get upset. Even though I lost things that can never be replaced, it just didn't matter. God's really been good to us.
Mathis was actually staying at a different trailer on the property while she finished remodeling this one, so she's going to keep staying there for now. And at this point, she's not really sure, frankly, if she's going to try and rebuild this one. In Nahunta, Zach Wilcox, First Coast News, on your side.